Next up on the list is Tadka Indian cuisine. Let's see how this tastes. And yeah, about to try some new Indian food here in Gilroy. Alright guys, so we got a lamb vindaloo and then chicken kadai with some samosas on the side. But yeah, catch you guys when the food gets out. Alright guys, we got some samosas first up. Vegetable samosas. Look at that. With some green sauce and red sauce. Check it out. Dude, steamy. Got some green beans. Look at the crunch. Look at that. It's filled with some green peas. Pretty good. Pretty good. It's nice and salty, huh? It's pretty salty. Let me try with the green sauce. Try with the green sauce. Yeah, yeah. That's the filling right there. That's good. What do you give it rating?
Like a 9.
9?
It's actually
Samosa? The other one's like the sweet sauce, the red sauce. Still good though.
that good?
Damn guys, this looks insane. Look at the naan, bro. Crap, guys. This actually looks so good. Alright, we're gonna go in and try to see what's up. Look at that. Crispy naan. Crispy. This is lamb vindaloo, I think. Hopefully, or it's the chicken. I don't know. About to go in though. Let's go. Ready? Let's get it. So much flavor. Look at that. It's spicy though. You can feel the spice on that one. I know. He said it was gonna be spicy, so he did warn us. But us Mexicans, we love the spice. Look at all that sauce, guys. Insane. It's spicy, holy shit. I think this is the lamb, guys. He's about to try. Go crazy. Does it taste like meat?
Not that spicy.
No? Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. I think this is the lamb actually, now that I see it. We also asked for a side of rice right here, basmati rice, to pair it. So much flavor in this curry, guys, and it's like it's spicy as heck though, guys. If you guys get chicken kadai, expect some spicy. It's really spicy. Chicken cooked perfectly. Super soft. Damn, the spice is kicking though. And I'm Mexican, guys. This is real spice right here. I think this might be some potatoes that are thrown into the lamb. Yeah, this chicken was kicking my ass though. I'm actually getting spiced out. It's like hot and spicy. This naan though, look at how crispy. It's not the thick naan as well, it's like very thin. You can see it. Like, you hear that? We're also not gonna do the mistake of getting some naan with some rice. I know it's just for curry. What do you give the chicken?
That chicken, like a 10. I like it.
Yeah? I still like butter chicken a little bit more, guys, but this is like good because it's like super spicy. I've never had spicy Indian food. Now I know you guys. You guys are the real like spice haters right here. This thing is packing some heat. I give the chicken kadai like a solid 8.9. Super good. Cooked perfectly. Nice spicy. So much flavor in the sauce. And then like it just comes all together super great. And the naan, I give like a like an 8 out of 10. I've had better naan just because this one's like very thin. Like I would love more of a thick dough. You see how it's very thin? What do you give the naan?
It's like an A for me.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
it was good and all, but maybe a little bit thicker, more doughy.
Big up bite.
Crazy. Big bite. Let me try some naan right here. Super hot though. So I can actually taste the flavor of lamb right here. Again, guys, nailing it with the texture. Cooked amazing. I'm spiced out by this one though. This one's actually spicy. You can taste all the spices they use, all the seasonings, all the ingredients in there as well. This is my first take on like spicy Indian food, guys. This shit is spicy, yeah, and it's good though. This guy loves spicy, so this is like right up his alley. Right here, big bite of everything. Ooh, big bite. Full of lamb right there. The curry. They're like a tortilla de harina, huh?
Yeah.
Super like soft. That's just my only down take. It's just a little bit more thicker would have been perfect. I learned not to eat this thing.
Enough.
Eat one. It tastes like hella strong. It's supposed to be like garnish. Taste it. You actually gonna eat it?
No. I'm gonna take a bite.
You see? I learned that in my last taste test of Indian food. I thought it was just gonna be like pretty good, like I don't know, but it wasn't. It was like hella sour. This is how you eat naan right here, guys. Just throw it on there. Got good jams in here. This hit the spot, huh? Yeah, guys, it's gonna conclude a little mukbang taste test of some spicy Indian food. This thing got some heat, huh?
Yeah.
It was super good. But we got the lamb vindaloo, chicken kadai or something like that. But super amazing, guys. Recommend stopping by over here. Get some good Indian food. But yeah, this is a little mukbang with some good Indian food. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.